Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to put Freon in a Hyundai Elantra. Turn off the engine, wear gloves and goggles, and locate the low-pressure service port. Begin by parking safely and gathering tools so you work efficiently and safely. Check oil and belts visually while the hood is open. Keep a towel and fire extinguisher nearby, and always follow safety labels on the refrigerant can. In this video, I will show how to put Freon in a Hyundai Elantra. Locate the low-pressure port by tracing the larger diameter hose from the compressor to the accumulator area. Remove the cap and brush away grime to keep contaminants out. Verify the correct port by checking the fit with your gauge hose before connecting, and always double-check engine is off during setup. In this video, I will show how to put Freon in a Hyundai Elantra. Quick recommendation. While you wait for the A/C to cycle, keep snacks in leak-proof containers to avoid greasy messes on your fender. They seal tight, stack neatly, and make brakes less stressful when troubleshooting. If you want the exact set I mentioned, check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to put Freon in a Hyundai Elantra. After attaching gauges snugly, start the engine and set A/C to max cool and blower high. With the can upright, add R134A in short 10-second bursts while watching low side pressure and listening for leaks. Let the system stabilize for a minute between bursts and stop when pressures match factory cold readings or the cabin feels cold.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.